How is ARC different than exosomes, PRP, umbilical stem cells, or all the other regenerative therapies for hair that I've heard about in recent years? Well, let's quickly break each of those down. PRP, firstly, contains no regenerative cells. It does have growth factors and exosomes, and we actually do use a hyper-concentrated version of PRP to carry your regenerative cells. And it does help the scalp, but even at that hyper-concentrated level that we get it to, PRP is not doing the regeneration. ARC is, with your stem cells, your progenitor cells, your pericytes, and everything else those regenerative cells actually need to do their job. Secondly, there's the umbilical stem cells you've heard about on Joe Rogan. In any wart and jelly umbilical, exosome, or stem cell derived product, there is no human study showing any effectiveness or results in androgenetic alopecia. It's been, frankly, years of me researching this. I check about every week to see what's new, and so far I've only found one weak human study. It's an alopecia areata, which can clear up on its own or with a steroid shot from a dermatologist, whereas both hair follicle and fat-derived stem cell concentrates have multiple human studies showing significant growth in the long term, even in and especially in androgenetic alopecia, which is what most people are suffering from. ARC is exponentially more researched, effective, and proven in regeneration for both hair and orthopedics. And it's your own regenerative cells, not afterbirth waste or a pig's bladder, so that's a plus. And then finally, on to exosomes. That's just a buzzword. Extracellular vesicle is where they derived that from. And these are growth factors secreted by stem cells, yes, but PRP has exosomes. We know that it takes more than that to regenerate hair meaningfully. ARC contains the full regenerative spectrum, stem cells, extracellular matrix, everything that it needs to do the full job, not just stimulate, but regenerate. A lot of those regenerative therapies will actually cite either a follicle stem cell study or an adipose-derived stem cell study and try to tie it in with their thing. Ours is the actual method, just improved by the stem cell number we're able to get from a fraction of the tissue and the fact that we have found a way to retain the regenerative cell matrix. As far as entire regeneration and what we have seen grow the most hair and for the longest period of time in human existence, ARC is that therapy.